Alright, hey everybody, super easy way to get more mulberries on your tree, alright? So we're here in August, this is Southern California, zone 10. Mulberry season for us ended in June. No more mulberries after June, unfortunately. So I'm standing here in front of my mulberry tree, and it's so easy to double your harvest, alright? Check it out. Basically, come closer and take a look. All I'm gonna do is take the leaves off a branch that already made mulberries this year. I'm just gonna remove the leaves and that's it. What I'm gonna leave are these nodes. You see these little nodes here? These stay because these will start to branch out and create more leaves and more mulberries. Basically, we're tricking the tree into going into a small period of dormancy, and then it's gonna jump out of dormancy very fast because it's August and the weather's hot. So the tree thinks, hey, I lost all my leaves. I'm going to deciduous mode, and now since the weather's hot, it's gonna start pushing out new leaves, and those leaf groups are going to have mulberries on them. And that's basically what it is, folks. We can get more mulberries on the tree. Let me show you. This process takes about a month and a half to get more mulberries on it. Let me show you some branches. Let me show you some branches we did to get that we already did about a month ago. And let me show you the results. Check it out. We got more mulberries here. We stripped this branch of its leaves. There's some more mulberries there. Check it out. And there we go. We got more off-season mulberries growing. Check it out. Down here, it's already starting to fruit. Pretty awesome. These are about to be ripe. We're gonna take them. Now, the beautiful thing is, we're not gonna waste these leaves. All the leaves we take off, we're gonna save them, and we're gonna make mulberry tea out of them. Apparently, mulberry tea has a lot of health benefits, so nothing's gonna get wasted, and we're gonna get more fruit, and we're gonna make tea as well. I wouldn't do this to a young tree. This tree is established, about 4 years old in the ground. It's about 15, 16 feet tall. So we're gonna start stripping more branches that already made mulberries, and so we can get another harvest, because my family really loves mulberries. So as many as we can get, we're happy to have it. And hopefully you can get more mulberries on your tree with that super easy trick. Just take the leaves off and you're gonna get more fruit. There it is, people. As always, thank you for watching. Bye.